Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Windows 11 from Windows 10 without losing any data. So let's start the video. First of all, we need a bootable pen drive, Windows 11 bootable pen drive. So you have to connect it with your laptop or PC in which device you want to update. So here we have connected a Windows 11 bootable pen drive. Now you have to open it. Now from here you have to double click on setup. Now we have to wait for some time. Now it will take some time to prepare the setup. Now from here you have to click on next. Now it will check the updates whether it can do the updates or not. So it will take some time, so you have to wait for some time. So you're almost done, so the setup will start now. Now you have to click on accept. Now the getting it will get the updates. So I'll fast forward this. It will take some time. So it is making sure that we have enough space to install the update or not. So it is taking some time. Now from here you have to click on install because we want 11 Windows 11 ISO file and keep the personal file and apps. Now you have to click on install. So both, to check the both ticks, I have to click on install. If you didn't want that, we can click on change whether to keep. So we want both, and we'll click on next, install. So it will also take some time, so you have to wait for some time. So you have almost done updating Windows 11. uh, so you have to give some time for final installation. uh, we need to plug in our laptop. If we are installing it in our laptop, we need to plug in our power cable, because we cannot turn off our PC or laptop in this situation. So we are almost done. So as you can see, Windows 11, we have successfully installed, updated, or you can say install Windows 11 without losing any data. If we go to this PC, can go to properties to see. So if we go down, so as you can say, it is now Windows 11 Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.